People may not realize the depth and breadth of Epson's product portfolio and all the industries they touch. This means we ship and receive thousands of orders daily throughout North America and the world. We have some of the largest B2B and B2C partners with very high standards and a wide array of labeling expectations.
The individual billing stations are going to smaller customers that can't take products on a pallet. These are our small branded customers, very important. We ship to thousands a week. And then the individual billing stations, those are going to our B2C customers, which is an endless amount. Now on our dock, we're shipping in palletized quantities. Just in India alone, if you're talking a 30-week period, you're doing 10,000 labels, so you're talking 300,000 labels just on the Amazon side. We're shipping 6,000 to 7,000 cartons a day out of our e-store. Then on our docks, I would say roughly 30,000 to 40,000 labels a week.
We recently installed our own ColorWorks products in our distribution centers, carefully maintaining the flow of orders without interruptions.
I'm actually very proud to say that we both focus on making sure we meet the functional requirements of what the business needs, and a lot of that's driven by our customers, whether they have specific labeling requirements or specific ways they need us to send them the product. We're able to address all those needs.
The applications we use are SAP, we use our WMS warehouse management system, and our TMS system as well, transportation management system.
ColorWorks products was extremely easy to integrate and work with, and we were able to kind of actually fairly seamlessly plug it into our environment and get ourselves up and running on that product very quickly.
When you look at our Epson ColorWorks portfolio, you see we have quite a wide variety of printers. For example, we have an operation that print a lot of labels in a row, and then they need to cut it and make sure that that job is separated. So we have a printer with an auto cutter that will print one job, separate it, print the next job, and these two are not intermixed. On the other hand, we have operations that are a fast-moving conveyor, which Epson is really the only one with a peeler on a color inkjet printer. This automatic peeler provides the label completely peeled, ready to apply, making it fast and efficient in their operation.
I feel the best advantage to switching from Zebra to ColorWorks is the reliability of the printer. The print heads are much more reliable than Zebra. We've had issues replacing print heads on a yearly basis with any new additions to our fleet, and it was very costly.
The quality of the label, the print quality, is vastly superior than the Zebra product. That has tremendous upside within our facility because we do barcode reading systems.
So the issue we saw with the thermal transfer printers is the problem with all thermal transfer printers, which is they still do have a lot of print quality defects that can lead to unreadable text or barcodes down the road that aren't going to scan and just open us up to liability.
One label is said to contain everything that's on the pallet, but the information on there must be incredible, the label quality, because if you think about it, our end user, our customer, is going to scan that one label. All the information on that pallet has to be in that label and accurately, because what they're doing is they're planning stowage, movement through their facilities.
We're able to manage the printers at our Carson facility and Indy. There was no network capability of our old Zebra printers, so they weren't on the network. So usually when they broke, we would just have to wait till we were called out, and by that time, then we would have slight production down because we didn't have a heads up about the issues. So Epson's device management tool, from an admin perspective, it's very useful because they can run usage reports on how much ink's being used, paper, so they can plan and order supplies and see the trend on usage, for times a year.
We're always looking for ways to improve the operations in the warehouse, and I think the ColorWorks product has actually been an important part of an improvement project. We were able to switch out a competitive product and use our own product. Same time, it's actually provided us with better features, better manageability, and I think a lower cost.
The ColorWorks label solution is enhancing our logistics operations while reducing costs.